Hello, join me today for a 10-minute Qigong practice that focuses on spinal rotation, hip mobility, and a full body stretching to help you release tension, improve circulation, and restore natural flow of energy. If you enjoy my YouTube videos and would like to support the channel, consider joining my membership site. You get access to 600 advertising-free videos, weekly live classes, monthly calendars, and a supportive worldwide Qigong community. We begin in a standing position. Take a moment to adjust your alignment, softening through your knees, relaxing into your hips, opening through the shoulders, and making your spine nice and long. Take a moment to settle in and prepare for the practice. Go ahead and take a nice deep breath in as you lightly stretch upwards. Easy and long exhale down. Inhale as you open the chest. Exhale to release and soften. Continue following your own breath. One more time. From here, begin turning your body side to side. Find a way to relax your neck and shoulders, allowing that relaxation to spread across your chest, down your back, and into your arms. Keeping your spine nice and long, relax your lower back and sink the body weight down into your hips. Maintain a good connection to the ground through your feet. Then, keeping a good posture, lift up your foot. Keep your back nice and straight and your lower back relaxed. Rely on your foundation, cultivating strength and stability in your lower body. Slow down the movement, adjusting your feet. From here, front and back stretch. Inhale as you open up. Exhale as you contract your abdomen. Move slowly. Feel the muscles and connective tissues stretching and lengthening. This is a good exercise to improve circulation through the front and the back of the body. It is good for opening the chest, restoring circulation and emotional balance. Inhale as you open up. Exhale as you move forward. One more time. Relax your hands by the side. From here, moving into hip rotation. Make sure your feet are parallel and shoulder distance apart. Allow yourself to relax and enjoy this movement. Notice how it feels in the body. Stay engaged and pay attention to the muscles and connective tissues around your hips. Change direction. Begin to slow down the movement. Then gently massage your lower back to generate warmth and comfort. Return into Wuji. Go ahead and interlace your fingers. We're going to stretch and open through the front of the body. Release the effort. Placing the hands directly over the crown of the head, reach upwards. Soften, allow your shoulders to relax. Then lean to the side. Soften the body and repeat on the other side. Pay attention to muscle tension and relaxation. Release the position. Gently press upwards, opening through the spine. Soften, allow your shoulders to relax. Turn as far as you feel comfortable and press up. Make sure you breathe in well. Then turn to the other side, opening up through the shoulders and the spine. Gently press upwards one more time. Release the position, drawing your hands down to chest area. Keeping your shoulders relaxed. Turn to the side. Feel a good stretch at the back of your shoulder. Repeat the same on the other side. Take your time to feel the effort and relaxation. Go ahead and press forward, opening up through the middle back. Release the position and press down, stretching your fingers and your wrist. Lean forward with a straight back. Press down as you gently lift up your head. Release the effort, then turn to the side. Come back through center and turn the other way. Pressing down towards the ground, lift up your head. Soften, allow your shoulders to relax. Press down one more time. Then bringing your hands up and over the head. Stretch, opening the chest to the sky. Unlock your hands and relax the entire body. Drawing your hands to the lower dantian or the lower abdomen. Centering the mind, regulating your breath, and becoming aware of all the physical sensations present in your body. Take a few deep breaths into your abdomen, allowing the energy to settle and cultivating a sense of peace and relaxation. Then relax your hands by the side and finish your practice. I hope you feel nice and calm. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next video.